Join me as I put the Mavic 3 Pro Cine to the test, creating stunning 4K videos and snapping 48MP photos while trying to fill up its 1TB storage. The Mavic 3 Pro Cine drone is a powerhouse of creativity, boasting advanced features that make it a top choice for content creators and drone enthusiasts alike. With its ability to shoot 4K videos and capture 48MP photos, this drone is setting new standards in the industry. Add to that its massive 1TB storage capacity, and you've got a device that's designed to keep up with your creative workflow. Many drone users face frustrating limitations with their devices, running out of storage space mid-shoot, or being stuck with subpar video and photo quality. These issues can be especially problematic for professionals who rely on their equipment to deliver high-quality content. Even some of the most popular drones on the market can struggle with these basic needs. For instance, trying to squeeze out a few more minutes of flight time or having to sacrifice video quality for the sake of storage space. Such limitations not only hinder creativity but also affect productivity. Imagine being on a shoot and having to constantly worry about deleting previous footage just to free up some space. Not only is it stressful, but it also takes away from the overall experience of flying and capturing stunning aerial footage. The stress of possibly missing that perfect shot due to technical limitations can be overwhelming. Let's dive deeper into what makes the Mavic 3 Pro Cine a game-changer. Its 4K video capabilities ensure that every frame is packed with detail, providing a rich and immersive viewing experience. The 48MP photos it can take are simply stunning, offering a level of clarity and precision that's hard to match. And with 1TB of storage, you can focus on capturing the perfect shot without constantly worrying about running out of space. When it comes to putting these features into action, the Mavic 3 Pro Cine truly shines. Its advanced camera system allows for a wide range of creative possibilities, from sweeping landscapes to detailed close-ups. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or a hobbyist looking to take your aerial photography to the next level, this drone has got you covered. As I take you through some of the footage I've captured with the Mavic 3 Pro Cine, you'll see just how impressive its capabilities are. From crystal-clear 4K videos that seem to leap off the screen, to photos that showcase an incredible level of detail, this drone truly delivers. The vibrant colors, the level of detail, and the overall quality of both the video and photos are a testament to the Mavic 3 Pro Cine's capabilities. It's not just about the technical specs, it's about what those specs mean for you as a creator. In conclusion, the Mavic 3 Pro Cine drone stands out in a crowded market with its impressive array of features tailored to meet the needs of content creators and enthusiasts. Whether it's the stunning 4K video, the high-resolution 48MP photos, or the generous 1TB storage, this drone is designed to help you push the boundaries of what's possible. So, what do you think is the most exciting feature of the Mavic 3 Pro Cine? Is it the video quality, the photo resolution, or perhaps the massive storage capacity? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in more drone tech and how to get the most out of your aerial photography and videography, be sure to check out my other videos. DJI Mavic 3 Pro Cine with DJI RC Pro, flagship triple-camera drone, tri-camera Apple ProRes support with 1 TB of storage, 3 intelligent flight batteries, FAA remote ID compliant. Brand DJI. Model name DJI Mavic 3 Pro. Special feature high sensitivity sensor, obstacle avoidance, long battery life, 1-button return. Age range adult. Video capture resolution 4K, 5.1K. Effective still resolution 48MP. Connectivity technology Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Included components DJI Shoulder Bag X1, DJI Mavic 3 Pro Cine X1, spare DJI Mavic 3 Low Noise Propellers X4, DJI Mavic 3 Intelligent Flight Battery X3, DJI RC Pro Control Sticks X1, DJI 100 watts USB-C Power Adapter X1, DJI 10 gigabits per second Lightspeed Data Cable X1, DJI 100 watts USB-C Power Adapter AC Power Cable X1, DJI Mavic 3 Battery Charging Hub X1, DJI RC Pro X1, DJI Mavic 3 Pro Storage Cover X1, USB-C to USB-C Cable X2, DJI Mavic 3 Pro ND Filter Set X1G Shoulder Bag X1, DJI Mavic 3 Pro Cine X1, spare DJI Mavic 3 Low Noise Propellers X4, DJI Mavic 3 Intelligent. Skill Level Advanced, All. Hasselblad Main Camera, Mavic 3 Pro has a 4/3 CMOS sensor, 24mm format equivalent, f/2.8 f/11, 20MP. The Hasselblad 4K drone camera supports shooting RAW photos with a dynamic range of up to 12.8 stops. FAA Remote ID compliant. DJI Mavic 3 Pro complies with the FAA Remote ID rule. Please check the compliance document below to see the user guide for remote ID, and you can visit the FAA's website for requirements of drone registration and remote ID. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing and UPS 5.0. Mavic 3 Pro ensures you fly safely and create with peace of mind. 8 vision sensors work with a vision computing engine to sense obstacles. 43-minute max flight time. Mavic 3 Pro gives you more confidence to fly further and spend less time worrying about the battery level of the long-range drone with camera for adults. DJI O3 Plus. Mavic 3 Pro features a transmission distance of up to 15 kilometers with stable signals, presenting a more coherent camera view. A professional 4K camera long-range drone for adults. Apple ProRes support. The Mavic 3 Pro Cine drone's 3 cameras support Apple ProRes 422 HQ, Apple ProRes 422, and Apple ProRes 422 LT encoding. Professional 4K camera long-range drone. Tri-camera Apple ProRes support and 1 TB of internal storage. Comes with 3 intelligent flight batteries, North Dakota filters set, and more. DJI RC Pro works with DJI drones with 4K camera for professional users. Firmware upgrade. The new Vision Assist provides visual assistance and improved aerial safety in 4 directions. The 70mm medium Tele camera now supports 10-bit D-Log-M and HLG color modes, expanding post-processing space. 1. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro Cine is a flagship drone featuring a high bright screen and tri-camera system with Apple ProRes support and 1 TB storage, designed for advanced users. 2. It includes 3 intelligent flight batteries, is FAA Remote ID compliant, and offers a range of special features such as high-sensitivity sensors, obstacle avoidance, and long battery life. 3. The drone captures video in 4K and 5.1K resolution and still images at 48MP, with connectivity options including Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. 4. Key components include a DJI shoulder bag, spare low-noise propellers, intelligent flight batteries, RC Pro control sticks, power adapters, data cables, battery charging hub, storage cover, USB-C cables, and ND filters. 5. The Hasselblad main camera features a 4/3 CMOS sensor, supports RAW photos with a dynamic range of up to 12.8 stops, and has a 24mm format equivalent lens. 6. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing and UPS 5.0 ensure safe flying, with 8 vision sensors and a vision computing engine to detect obstacles. 7. The drone offers a maximum flight time of 43 minutes and a transmission distance of up to 15 kilometers with stable signals, enhancing long-range capabilities. 8. The Mavic 3 Pro Cine supports Apple ProRes encoding across its 3 cameras, catering to professional users with advanced post-processing options. 9. Firmware upgrades include Vision Assist for improved aerial safety and expanded color modes for the 70mm medium Tele camera, enhancing post-processing capabilities.